So I attempted to remove my old video card from my PC to replace it with a new one. Nothing new to me, I've done this many times, but it looks like this time I failed. And this is trying to remove my GeForce GTX 660 to replace it with a NVIDIA Quadro K1200 as you see in the video. But if you pay attention here, looks like I've pulled some of the pins off and actually the plastic piece off, leaving me with a bunch of pins hanging on my motherboard. Here's the piece that came out of the motherboard, and you can see it has broken some of the pins. Now I've removed some of the pins already before this video, but here's where I failed, is to unlock this piece properly and remove the card. Forcing the card out, it actually took the plastic piece away. Now I've removed all the pins, all the remaining pins, leaving the motherboard clean, hoping that the motherboard will start after removing these pins away so that it doesn't short out. Looks like I gotta do some cleaning. Got my duster, hoping to remove these tiny pins that are just kind of all over the motherboard now. Okay, looks like everything is cleaned up. I've removed all these little pins that are sticking around, and next thing would be getting this thing to power up and see if it works. Just to show you, here are the pins that came out of that slot, and here's the little piece that was removed from the motherboard. Just to show you in close. Please don't do this at home, and be careful that you unlock this piece before you remove your video card. Otherwise you might see something like this. Now luckily this board is about 5 years old, so I'm not too worried that I lost something brand new. It's almost due for replacement anyway, so I guess that's okay. Here's the locking mechanism that I kind of failed to unlock properly. So it must have been something with the old board where these pieces are more flimsy. With just a little bit of force, I was able to remove the entire thing, and not just the video card. Now I did lose my 16X, PCIe 16X, and I'm left with the PCIe 8X. So as some of you know, some video cards will need PCIe 16X to perform well. I had my Quadro K1200 in the 8X slot already, and I know it works well. I haven't seen any performance issues, but I haven't checked the spec as well, so I'm not sure what I'm losing at this point. Alright, moment of truth. It wants to start. That's not a good sign. Oh, it looks like we're in business. So after all, did some damage to my motherboard, but I was able to get it back and working in normal working condition. I just lost my PCIe 16X, which again I'm not too worried about. Looks like my PCIe 8X still works, and everything is normal. So thank you for watching.